All right, first ride of the year, always good. Checking a few things out though. Kind of currently checking like mic levels and stuff, making sure that everything works, and away we go. So I thought I'd just go over my GoPro setup for when I'm on the bike and recording video in the helmet and stuff. I've gone through a few iterations. So I started off with a GoPro 11 and the Media Mod and a Saramonic mic. I've got the same mic. The mic's fine. The mic's perfect. I have no issues with the mic. There were some issues I had with the Media Mod, so I thought I would get rid of my GoPro 11 and get the brand new, at the time, Hero 12, which was going to be absolutely fantastic because it had Bluetooth audio. The Bluetooth audio worked. It worked decently well, but there was a couple things I didn't like about it. I wasn't always sure that it was connected. It wasn't always easy to see. But the bigger thing for me was that when I was using my Cardo as a microphone for the GoPro, I couldn't listen to music or use it for navigational directions, you know, like when I'm on the road or anything like that. It just couldn't, something, I don't know if it was the GoPro or if it was the Cardo, but one of the two just couldn't handle the two Bluetooth connections very well at all. And so I got rid of that. Well, not really. I've still got the GoPro Hero 12. So now instead of a Bluetooth audio, I have purchased the 3.5mm mic adapter. The 3.5mm mic adapter to use the old microphone again. I didn't like the Media Mod just because the two main issues were, if you want to change how you mount the GoPro, like if you're going from the normal 2 fingers down to a tripod or something like that, you have to pull the GoPro out of the Media Mod, adjust the fingers, put it back in the Media Mod, and then mount it on the tripod. Not a huge deal, I get it, but it was just, I didn't like it. So now I've got the GoPro Hero 12 with a chin mount. It works well, I have no issues with that. I tried a couple of strap-on mounts in the past. They would move around and slide and shift, so I wasn't a huge fan of those. Ended up getting a chin mounts mount, which works fantastically. And then I also have using some dual lock, which is kind of like really heavy duty Velcro. It's really strong stuff. And so I use that to basically fasten the mic adapter to the side of the helmet. Now the mic adapter also has pass-through charging, so I used a little more dual lock on the back of the helmet, and I have a battery pack back there, the cable going from the battery to the mic adapter, and then the mic adapter plugs into the GoPro. So I've got like a battery that'll last all day on the helmet. Everything is completely attached to the helmet, so I don't have to disconnect anything or connect anything, taking the helmet on and off. Just strap the helmet on, turn everything on, and away I go. I think I'm happy with this. This is my first ride with the microphone adapter actually, so we'll see how the audio on this is. The other thing I didn't like about the Bluetooth audio was the level was really low. Whenever I was doing any editing or anything like that, I would have to crank the levels as far as I could, and even then it was kind of like just an acceptable level. So we'll see how this is. I got the feeling it's going to be much better with the mic plugged in directly to the mic adapter rather than the Bluetooth audio. Anyway, that's pretty much my setup now. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to be using for this season anyway. Hopefully I'll be out on the bike a little bit more. I only got on the bike, I think it was like 4 times last year, which is unacceptable. We're going to do something about that, which I've already kind of started going whole hog this year. Pretty excited. I have booked a trip with the Traction E-Rag guys. I'm going to be flying out to Kamloops, BC, spending a week with them, getting some dirt bike training and riding the lovely scenic mountains of beautiful British Columbia. I'm sure we'll get some videos up off of that once it's done, and you know, I take my usual 8 months to look at the video again, start to edit it, and you know, who knows, maybe within a couple of years we'll have kind of a mediocre video about it.